She's a natural. No. What the? Oh, there she goes. She just fell off 400 yards off the pier. 400 yards?
I'd say. Those look fun though.
But that.
What are you doing over there? Doing a little whaling? That whaler though.
Please do that again.
Yeah.
More videography guys. You let me know. I'm there in a heartbeat.
Do you do your own editing or someone else?
No, I have minimal like training with all that. I just when I'm out west, like all my friends are the ones that want to jump off shit and do it, which is fine. I'll do it as well, but you just less times I get videos of myself. You know what I mean? I'm always the guy that just pull out the camera.
Yeah, you're always the guy. I'm always the guy too.
There's always something.
I just do it for the memories, bro.
Well, my friends in college, my roommates would get so pissed. They're like, they thought, I was gonna videotape something that'd be incriminating or something, and then like in the last 3 years, my buddies called me and they're like, I'm so grateful that we have all those videos of us just being absolute idiots, like.
You're like the video roll guy.
Oh, so funny.
Dude, you know what? Because those two have been friends, man. And the thing is, you'd want to document this for them to experience 10 years from now.
Right.
And I'm that guy.
For sure, man. That's awesome. Appreciate that. Another shirt, my man. Hey, you're not wearing a shirt. Yeah. Black? What an idiot. Talk about a double McDevers with cheese. Action.
McDevers.
Duncan, you going with him?
Go rip it!
Yeah, I saw it like that. Yeah, and like, ride
She's
as well.
rocking.
Where'd he go? Here, there.
Fucking ADHD right here. Oh, do I follow? Here they are. Alright.
She's killing it.
I know. I knew it right away. She hopped up there and she just.
As soon as she walked, as soon as she went away, Danny and I were both like, what?
Oh, here she goes.
She's like, yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm like,
She makes me look like
I mean, with balance, it's just.
I'm going.
We're gonna ride it, Sean.
No, I'm gonna go home here.